Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. This is CBSE Class 10 Math series. If you check out the playlist, you will be able to find out all the previous example problems with solutions. It would be helpful for you, do check it out. In this class, we will be solving exercise number 1.1, fourth question. What is fourth question? Given that HCF of 306, 657 equal 9. Find LCM of 306, 657. HCF is given. What is the given numbers? 306 and 657. We need to find out LCM. HCF is already given. From this information only we are going to find out LCM. We are not going to use prime method here because already this HCF is given. From this information we should find out LCM. For that you have to remember one formula. Already we had discussed about this. One formula we already know that LCM into HCF equal product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. What is two numbers? This two numbers are this given number 306 and 657. So from this formula we are going to find out LCM by applying the value of HCF here, and from that you can find out LCM easily. Now we can see the solution. For the solution, I have written the given information. What is given in the question? HCF of these two numbers equal 9. From this information, we should find out LCM. So we have to remember the formula. What is that? LCM into HCF equal product of two numbers. What is two numbers? In this problem, two numbers are 306 and 657. Product of two numbers. This is the formula you should remember. Then only you can find out the solution. So from this, I can take LCM here. Okay. If I am taking LCM here, this HCF will be coming this place, right? Product of two numbers would be in this place. Product of two numbers. From this is the basic formula you have to know. From this I am taking LCM here. If I am taking LCM here, this HCF will go this place and this would be here only. Product of two numbers. From this formula we can find out LCM. We should apply the value of HCF. What is HCF here? 9. And product of two numbers mean 306 into 657, right? So I can write like LCM equal product of two numbers 306 into 657 divided by HCF is 9, right? This is given. If you are simplifying this step, we can find out the solution. Okay, now we are going to simplify this. 9, we have to divide this two numbers by 9. So I can divide this 9 by 3 and also I can divide this 306 by 3. So I am taking 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 3 is 3, 0, 2 3s are 6, right? So again 3 is here. I can divide this 102 by 3. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Remaining 1, right? 1 and 2. 12. So 4 3s are 12. Right? 34. I am getting 34. 34 into 657. How much? 34 into 657. 7 4s are 28. 2. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Again 2. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. This 3. 3 7. 7 3s are 21. Remaining 2. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Remaining 1. And 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 8. 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 7, 13. So 1 would be here. 10 plus 2, 12. Answer is how much? 22,338. This is the LCM value. Answer is LCM equal 22,338. This is the answer. This is the answer of fourth problem in exercise 1.1. According to this problem, you have to remember this formula. What is that? LCF into HCF equal product of two numbers. So from this formula, we can find out LCM formula. Product of two numbers divided by HCF. In this formula, we should apply the values of LCM, values of HCF that is given in the question. Then we'll be able to find out LCM value. It's easy, right? If you practice it, it will be easy for you. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.